Hermes Agent, an open-source autonomous AI agent built by nous Research. Hermes Agent is not a copilot, not a chatbot, not another ChatGPT wrapper. It's an autonomous agent that lives on a server and runs continuously. You don't open a dashboard to talk to it. You text it. Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp. It feels like messaging someone who's always online and happens to know everything about your workflow. Oh, and quickly before we start, I post 3 videos weekly, so subscribe and hit that bell to become a code head and get notified as soon as I drop. All right, let's go. 2 things separate Hermes Agent from the other AI agent peasants. The first one is persistent memory. Hermes remembers everything across every session, not just the last conversation. All of them. Your projects, your preferences, the way you like problems explained. It runs a layered memory system that builds a model of you over time. Most AI tools are a whiteboard that gets wiped every session. Hermes is a notebook that never closes. A month in, every interaction is shaped around you specifically. The second thing is a self-improving skills loop. Every time Hermes works through something complex, it saves that solution as a reusable skill. It doesn't have to figure out the same thing twice. So it's not just remembering you, it's getting more capable the longer it runs. That combination is what actually solves the reset problem. Okay, that's cool and all, but how do you actually use Hermes Agent? Well, installation is very easy. It's actually a single curl command on Linux, Mac, or WSL2, done in under a minute. The real question is where you run it, because this thing needs a server that stays on 24/7. And if you're planning to use your main laptop for that, well, that's actually a very bad idea, because you will make yourself vulnerable to prompt injection attacks and a lot of other vulnerabilities. And that's exactly where Hostinger, today's sponsor, comes in. Just click my link in the description. Choose a plan. I recommend the KVM2 for the best bang for your buck. Pick your region, skip the manual Linux setup, and deploy Hermes Agents in one click using Hostinger's pre-built Docker template. Set your environment variables, confirm your plan, and you're good to go. Here's what makes it the best choice. Hermes Agent on Hostinger costs a fraction of hosted AI solutions. And unlike those, your API keys, learned skills, and conversation history stay completely on your own server. No throttling, no per agent fees, and your agent stays online 24/7 even when your laptop is off. Need more power as your agent grows? Scale your resources with a few clicks, no migration needed. Plans start at just a few dollars a month, and you can save even more with code CODEHEAD at checkout for an additional 10% off all yearly plans. Okay, so you've got it running. Here's what actually makes it special. Hermes Agent has a built-in modular skill system. A skill is basically a reusable module, a capability the agent saves and calls whenever it needs it. They're built on an open standard called agentskills.io, and there's a whole community building and sharing them. Now, there's even a whole hub website that lists all the available skills. As you can see, there's almost 90 built-in skills, 81 optional ones, and over 500 community skills spread across 18 categories. There are skills that generates motion graphics for your videos, such as hyperframes and neural skill. Ones that monitor a repo and flags changes, like the GitHub repo management skill. One that formats and sends a daily briefing filtered for your specific workflow. You can install community skills, build your own, or just tell Hermes to set up a cron job that checks agentskills.io on its own and suggests whatever's relevant based on what it already knows about you. The tool looks for its own upgrades. Then there's sub-agents, and I think this one doesn't get enough attention. If you've ever tried to get a single AI session to handle 5 different things at once, you've watched it slowly lose track of all of them. Context gets stretched, earlier parts of the task drop off. Hermes handles this by spinning up isolated workers for specific paths. Each one has its own focused context and toolset. When each worker finishes, the results come back to the main agent and get assembled. You ask for one thing, a whole process runs in the background. Last thing, who is this actually for? Honestly, not everyone. If you just need quick answers, a chatbot does that fine, so you'll be fine with just ChatGPT. But if you're a developer with repetitive, structured workflows, a creator who's sick of re-explaining your projects every session, anyone who does the same kinds of work day after day and wants a tool that builds on that instead of resetting it, the difference is real. On day 1, it's a capable agent. 6 months in, it knows your workflow better than tools you spent years setting up. Oh, and by the way, I have a full install and setup guide up in the channel. It's linked in the description. Check it out. All right, code head out.